morning. Down south for today's adventure.
Yeah.
Gonna try and get us some snappers, maybe some blue Morwongs, probably a lot of leather jackets. Hopefully we run into a mako shark. That'll be good.
We won't be ready for it, but we're prepared.
We're semi-prepared. We brought the game gear, so yeah. Gonna try and get some nice breads for dinner.
So maybe we'll cook something.
Maybe we'll cook. Maybe we'll do a catch and cook.
For once, we'll cook something up.
Yeah, we're not at Clam. We're waiting on him. He's doing a number 2.
Better heating out there.
Yeah. Hopefully we can get onto something good today.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
I mean, we are kind of in the cove.
Oh, there's a boat. We just got in the water. Bit of a fail there.
Literally got in the water.
I'm wet. You know what's funny? The funniest thing about this is some guy at the boat ramp was like, "Oh, do you guys have a YouTube?" We're like, "Yeah, don't go fishing. Give us a follow." And then he's literally watching me try to jump on this boat. I literally missed my footing and I'm half submerged in water, scrambling my way up onto the boat in front of everyone else on the boat ramp. So yeah, that's my morning.
Clement's just hooked on to something. Oh, and he reckons his head shakes. That's a Moe.
A Moe? Oh, what's the size? The size limit of this bad boy?
I think it's about 30.
30? Oh, that's pretty big. That's pretty big.
So we're just measuring it now? Just measuring the caught fish we just got. I'm speaking about 35.
34 to the fork.
Nah, to the fork. Yeah, 34 to the fork, 40 to the other part. So that's a keeper. We'll get right back into it. I think Richard just got onto a pretty decent bite. Oh, that's a snapper.
Yeah, boy.
I don't know if that's legal.
That's a snapper, but
I'm not getting the net for that. What works? Team works. We all got a bit of Richard line. That looks legal. Yeah, first snapper on the board.
yeah. Antonio's his rod holder. The magic rod holder right here. Huh? Oh yeah. The magic rod holder! The magic rod holder attacks!
Richard! He's on! And that strike. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What is this beer?
It's the rod holder!
What is this beer? He's literally turned it off. How good is that? Nah, leave it off. We got this one.
Oh, the magic rod holder.
Another snapper?
Yeah.
Head shake? Nice head shake?
This is fighting. This is fighting.
Yeah, right.
Good one. Take it easy.
Like the lead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see colour. That's not a snapper. Oh, what's that? That's a pigfish. That's alright, that's alright. That's a good sized pigfish. We're catching all the species. Maybe we'll do another couple more drifts. I did say we were only going to do one last drift and we'll punch it out to about 60 meters of water. But, I mean, the fish are biting, so why not? Shakes here. That's not a leather.
No leather?
I am going to be proven wrong once we get something.
Please be a leather.
No, that's solid head shake.
Yeah? Snapper, you reckon? Please be a snapper. Oh, Moe.
It's not that big. But you know what? Any legal size any legal size snapper is a good snapper.
It's a good snapper.
Nah, that looks like a freaking leather. That's a snapper.
Yeah?
Get a nerd! Get a nerd!
Yes. Yes. That's yeah.
me, boy!
Oh my word.
Yeah, boys, drop it back down.
Yes, we found the snappers. Hey, we had one mission today, find the snappers, and guess what?
Let me go back to
Guess what? Hey, hold on, let me Instagram.
Hey! Let's get a measure on this baby, eh?
Yeah.
She's about 38.
38, right.
Y'all can see that. PB for me.
Look at
I'm happy.
Look at the dots on
Look at the colours on it.
I don't know if we can
Like I said, I know it's not that big, but fourth time I think, fourth time going out for snapper.
Definitely catch cook.
We'll do something with it.
Yes, that's the one.
Stay tuned.
Breakfast ritual. Alrighty, exciting. Pulled up to a new spot and the sound is going off. And it was going off. And Yuen's felt something. Oh, that's a fish. That's a good fish. Damn. That was a good strike. So yeah, as you can see, I taught him how to strike from before. And
That could be a snapper.
yeah,
That could be a snapper.
a pinky.
Not that big.
Okay.
Maybe just legal. That could be a snapper.
We'll get a net just in
That could be
case.
a snapper.
Alright, I found it. I was like, where's the net? You're gonna call it a pinky? He's calling it. He's calling it, guys. What do you guys think? Well, you guys already know because it's gonna be edited. I think, for the sake of this trip, I'm gonna say it is. That's not a pinky. What the f? So it's what we like to call a leather jacket. It's like what we were. What? So yeah, cool.
Alright, so that's not a pinky.
No.
This is a pinky though. Shut up, me. Because I'm an idiot.
These are, they're alright eating. They're not bad. But they're just not what you want to see out here when you're chasing, you know, snapper. Or kingies.
Okay. You don't want to see leather jackets on us.
At all. Fish on! I don't think it's a snapper.
Aww.
Should I just say it's a snapper?
No.
Maybe it's a barracuda.
You reckon? I mean,
Barracuda
you've caught them all. But,
They're the only two that I'm
yeah, this feels familiar. What the hell is going on? This guy's getting hooked on, but he keeps losing the fish. I don't understand. I really don't understand. Every time he's like, yeah, fish on, he'll bring it up and then nothing. Like, what are you doing? what are you doing, my friend?
I'll tell you exactly what happened. So it's called catch release. But what I like to do, I release it before it gets up. It's called efficiency. Catch release before it comes to its bait.
You finally got a successful hookup rate.
Hey, what, you want to see me catch release? Oh, please be a pinky.
How's it feel? How's it feel? Yeah?
It's head shaking.
Yeah? So did my leather jacket. I'll just grab this real quick.
Okay, then.
Oh, I see colour. That looks like a pinky. That's a pinky. That's a nice pinky. Slow down, slow down. What the fuck? Yes! Look at that.
That's measuring.
This is your PB. Richard's PB will be 32.
Alright. Yeah. New one's on. New one's on. Decent. On some decent.
Maybe it might be a massive ball. I don't know, it's not that many head shakes.
Don't say that.
Or a massive leather jacket.
Yeah.
Not 100%.
Not hit. No
Find out
head
if I
shakes.
bring it up.
No head shakes.
Nah, it's not even running.
How'd it hit?
Nah, it is running.
How'd it hit?
Trying to run, but I drag.
Alright.
It'll be over here.
Uh-oh.
Where's that?
Let's have an underwater gaze, eh?
Hit nicely.
Oh, I see color. I see color.
I think that's a pinky. Is it? That's a pinky! Oh, it's a Moe. It's a Moe. That's a pinky!
Oh, that's a pinky.
That's a Moe. That's a Moe. That's a pretty big Moe.
That's a Moe.
That's a big Moe.
You was a Moe.
That's a big
Oh yeah. Whoa, that's big. That's pretty decent, guys.
Just get a measure on him. See what he's at. Because I think this is my biggest Moe. Out there. Ooh, 44 I'd say. 44, maybe 45.
Put him up for Instagram. Yeah, nice.
Mine's gonna be a jacket. The line, dog. That means mine's gonna be a jacket. No, but it feels like head checks.
Yeah, but the other jacket had head checks too. Alright, send us, take us, run us through it, Newen. What are you feeling? Excited?
It's died now.
Huh?
It's died now. It's a jacket.
It's a jacket.
No more head shake.
Damn, we found the school of leather jacket, boys and girls. That's not good. That's not good. Anyway, note to self, don't lick the screen.
No, it's a pinky.
Oh.
It's a pinky.
Is it? Yeah. Oh yeah, boy.
It's a nice pinky boy. That's a nice one.
Oh yeah.
Decent one.
Okay.
That's a very nice.
I take back everything I said.
Oh yeah, did I break my PB?
That's a good one. That's a good feed. Oh my god, new one. Yeah, boy.
Let's go. Is that right?
I want to mark it, yeah. I'll put it back a bit.
That's right. No, the mark's there. I know where it is.
Alright, let's measure this bad boy up.
Let's get a measure on this one. Where is? Oh.
Oopsie.
It is 38 again. 38 again.
Just shy of 40. Oh no.
40.
I
I wouldn't call it a... Oh, no, I'd call it a 40.
That's
No, 40. Yow! Broke my PB!
Break the PP!
Yeah!
Let me get another video.
Another one! That's Moe. Damn it.
That's a good one though. That's a really good one.
I was hoping for... Nah, it's not even that big.
Mate, what the hell?
They get bigger, bro.
If Shrek was here, he'd be like donkey.
Nice one.
I would do donkey. Let's measure this bad boy up. Let's see what happens.
He is about 40 centimeters as well. Yeah, right. They're just hanging out together down there in the 40 centimeter crew. You know. Get right back into it. So this is a bit depressing, but there's a double hook I'm happening. One to my right, one to my left, and then slowly old me catching nothing. Triple. Yo, we got triple. The boys. He's on. Little Santa guy. Happy.
The dots on. Look at the color.
Let's get a measure on him. See what he.
Fishing. Yeah, so we're just about to finish up here, and man, today's just been great. Today's just been great. Got any words for our lovely viewers at home on this lovely day? Look at that! Ah, it looks sick.
We're pretty close to a glass off
Yeah.
afternoon, but I'd say it's pretty glassed off for Sydney,
For Sydney, yeah,
for New South Wales,
man.
in open water.
I'll give them a pano. Oh.
We get out of the way.
Yeah. Anyways, again, thanks for tuning in to another episode of No Go Fishing, and as always,
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.